If you're looking for an amazing electric fireplace that gives off heat and has this log look to it and the fire, or you could have this running just like this without the heat for great decor, you are absolutely going to love this. It also comes with a remote control. I'm going to break down the features for you right now. All right, I shut the lights off so you can see exactly what it looks like. You're gonna wanna put this on the floor. I wanted this on the table so I could show it up front and personal for you. So the product dimensions are gonna be 8.56 by 20 on the width and then 11.5 on the height. Really, really nice. You can see that flame going right back there. You have, you got the 3D flame, which is great. You also have this awesome remote control. So with this remote control, does not require any batteries, which is great. You're all set. You just pull out the tab just like that. You want to adjust the flame, you could get rid of the flame. You could just have that going. You wanted the flame to go like that, and you want it to like slow it down a little bit, we could hit this like speed button, and then it's going a little slower. So there's lots of different options with this. You could turn the heat on. You could really feel it. This really cranks out heat quickly, which is absolutely awesome. You want to do the candle kind of going over there, you could see that you have different options on the color. I like the fact that you could turn this off and there's no heat, and this is just really, really nice decor. This thing is absolutely awesome. Heats the room really, really quickly. I just can't get over how awesome these flames look, especially when you put it on the floor. This would look great right by a tree or in a living room. So if you're looking for a great electric fireplace that gives the allure of logs on a fire and flames, you will absolutely love this. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I can do this for you.